Hi, it's Sandy Parker and welcome to Crafting for Almost Everyone. Well, today we're going to be doing a video real quick showing you how to put together one of the round framed diamond paintings. I hope you'll stay tuned. So I got this round diamond painting from fancells.com. And it comes so that you can screw a little piece into the top and hang it from a cord, and then it has a tassel on the bottom. I wasn't really into either of those because I think my sister, who I'm giving it to, would prefer to just hang the round frame on her wall. So I thought I would show you my variation on how to do that. What I did was I took double stick tape, and I don't know if you can see it. It's on the back of the diamond painting. Then this piece comes with it, and then there's a piece of glass. And then what you do is, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that she is centered on your round piece as much as you can. Before you set it down, you want to make sure you did a good job of centering it. I think mine's pretty good. And then because I put that double stick tape all over the back of it, it'll be nice and flat in there, and it'll be well adhered. Then the glass that comes with it, it's really plastic. You have to take the plastic paper, protective paper, off of both sides. And then, of course, I already got fingerprints all over it because you know how I roll. And so you're going to want to make sure that you wipe it off really well. So then you're going to lay that on top of her. Make sure she doesn't have anything, any dog hairs or any fuzz on her before you do the next step. And the next step is we're going to take this base and we're going to put it on it, and then we're going to pick it up and we're going to flip it over and we're going to push down on it. And by pushing down on it, we should be able to get the diamond painting and the next layer well adhered to the backing. So here's what I did. I put hot glue on the back all the way around it, and I put a pearl needle in both the top and the bottom to really hold that piece of it's like a foam in there. I don't need to leave those in. I could take them out, but for now I'm going to leave them in because they're kind of pretty looking. And that's what it looks like finished. Oh, and I made one of these little things that holds your needle in case anybody wants to see a video on that. I can show you how to do that. It was really easy. And so that's the scoop on this frame. I hope that if you bought one of these and you don't want to do the tassel, that you come up with a plan to make it work without it, and that you give this a thumbs up and subscribe, and please tell your friends about me on social media because you know I love that. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.